Hi there, it's Martin here from Refurbishment Mastery. Have you heard in marketing circles about having 7 touch points with a potential client before they sign up? Well, let me explain to you in this video how that is relevant when you are looking to work with a new builder. I think it was someone from Google who wrote a report a number of years ago from a marketing context that said that you needed to have 7 touch points with any prospective client before they would sign up with you. It could be that it was social media, a Facebook profile, maybe you're using YouTube, maybe you then end up meeting face to face. Maybe you have some email correspondence, maybe you send a text message. But it was about having 7 different communication channels with any potential client before they might come on board and buy your product from you. Well, I want to use that same analogy in the context of working with builders, and importantly, selecting the builders that we want to work with, because the same applies here. You really need to be looking for any reason to have a touch point with your prospective builder. That might start from an initial telephone conversation. It may be that from that telephone conversation you agree that you're going to send them a project to price. You might say at the end of the email when you send that, please can you reply and acknowledge response. There's a touch point there. You're asking the builder to come back to you and demonstrate or confirm that they've got it. From there, you may ask them to phone you and arrange an appointment to meet you on site. There's another touch point at that point. You then meet them on site. You might send them a text message to confirm that they are coming along, and they may well reply to that. And you may have some other dialogue along the way. You might have some other emails, some other phone calls. The key thing is, every single time you've got a touch point with your potential builder, your potential contractor, is a way for you to assess how good that contractor is like to be. If every single time you try and have this touch point, the contractor never replies to you, you're always chasing them up, then that's a bad thing. That's a reason that you may not want to work with that particular builder. If every time you send something to them, they acknowledge your reply, they email you back, they text you back, or whatever they might choose to do, then that's a good thing. And so as much as we talk about 7 points of touch, 7 touch points from a marketing perspective, you can use it in reverse to see if these builders are the right people to work with you. Some of them know about 7 touch points and will therefore be replying and acknowledging and looking for reasons to have some communication with you. If they're not doing that, you need to steer it from your direction. Look for reasons to have dialogue with builders. Look for reasons where just, nothing more than just checkpoints to see if they can reply to you, if they can come back to you in a good, timely manner, and that they're not missing anything along the way. So the more touch points you have with your builder, the more chance you've got of actually engaging the right builder to carry out your project. And ultimately, if at every touch point the builder slips up in one way or another, then just stop talking to them, just close the file and carry on working with the builders that are actually engaging with you and meeting the targets that you're setting them and replying to you at the times that you need replies from them. I really hope that this little video will help you engage with the right builders. Sadly, too many people employ the wrong builders through not doing enough of this kind of engagement to ensure that they're taking on the correct ones. Don't let that be you. My name's Martin Rapley. I've got a whole channel here of videos to help you with your refurbishments. Do please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on another video very soon.